What is up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape LinkedIn jobs automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To scrape LinkedIn jobs automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for scraping our jobs for us. So in Claude, I'm going to click on customize right here, and click on skills, and here we're going to create a new skill. So I'm going to choose to create with Claude. And here we're going to hit enter to describe the skill that would like Claude to create for us. So here we can tell Claude create a skill that automatically scrapes LinkedIn jobs based on keywords, job titles, and location, then extracts their company name, job title, location, salary, job link, and posting date before adding everything into an organized Excel or Google Sheet spreadsheet automatically in real time. So here I'm going to hit enter and give it a second or two for it to create our skill for us. This is incredible. So here you can see it successfully created our skill that will be responsible for scraping LinkedIn jobs for us. It's called LinkedIn Job Scraper. Here's the folder structure. And here's what the skill does when triggered. So it asks for job title. So here we're going to give it a description of the job. Then it's going to scrape the job for us and extract the company name, job title, location, salary, job link, and posting date from each result. Then it's going to create a spreadsheet that is going to add the job and provide us a link. So now to install it, I'm going to download it right here. Right. And now to install it, we're going to head over to skills. Here we're going to upload the skill, and then we're going to upload the zip file. And here you can see it successfully uploaded our LinkedIn job scraper skill that we just created successfully right here. So here you can preview the skill. This is incredible. Now, if you feel like there's something that you've left out or you like to include, you can edit the skill to include the data. To edit the skill, just click on the three dots right here and click on edit with Claude, and here you can be able to edit the skill automatically using Claude. Since our skill has been installed successfully, we can try using it to scrape jobs for us. So we can tell it using our skill. Here we're going to find our LinkedIn job scraper skill. And tell it, use this skill and find me 20 remote software engineering jobs in the United States posted within the last 7 days, then automatically extract the company name, job title, location, salary, application link, and posting date into an organized Google Sheet. Here I'm going to hit enter and give it a second or two for it to scrape the job for us. So here you can see it successfully scraped our 20 software developer jobs in the United States right here. So it's added and then proceeded to add the jobs into this spreadsheet that is created right here. You can see the preview of the 20 jobs right here. So now to preview the jobs into our spreadsheet here, I'll open this link. Here the companies are posted these jobs in LinkedIn. Here the job titles, the location of the jobs. Some have their salary included and some do not. Here's when the job was posted. Here are the notes of the jobs and the job link. This is the link to apply to the jobs. You can try opening one. And here you can see the full stack engineering job posted by this company, which is this company right here. You can preview another job. You can see if the full stack engineering job posted by the College Board company. You can see right here. So we successfully scraped these 20 software developer jobs automatically and added the jobs to this spreadsheet over here using the skill that we created right here in Claude. So let us try scraping a couple of more jobs using our skill. To call our skill, then I'm going to tell Claude, use this skill and find me 20 remote marketing manager jobs in Canada from SaaS companies, then automatically extract the company name, job title, location, salary, application, link and posting date into an organized Google Sheet. I'm going to hit enter and use our skill to scrape the jobs for us. Here you can see it successfully scraped our 20 remote marketing jobs in Canada. This is incredible. So you can see the jobs, listed them right here. We added the jobs to our spreadsheet over here. So also listed the jobs right here. So now to preview the jobs, I'll open this link. So here's the company name that posted the jobs, here's the title, the location. See they had included the salary, will have included it right here. This is when the jobs were posted, here the notes, and here's the link to apply to the jobs. We can open a couple of links to the jobs to preview the jobs. So this demand generation job in Canada was posted 4 years ago. Pay scale, as you can see right here, posted by Directive, and this one was posted by, I think, Data. So now instead of scraping jobs that were posted a very long time ago, you can filter the jobs in the description right here. So now to scrape a couple of more jobs right here, we're going to use our LinkedIn job scraper tool and tell Claude this skill and find me 25 remote or hybrid product manager jobs from tech companies in the US and Europe posted within the last 7 to 14 days. Then extract the company name, job title, location, salary where available, application link, and posting date into a structured Google Sheet that is automatically updated with only fresh listings. Now to scrape the jobs from LinkedIn using our skill in Claude, I'll hit enter right here. So now let's give it a second for it to scrape the jobs for us. So here you can see it successfully scraped our 25 jobs right here. So we instructed it to scrape 25 remote and hybrid products manager jobs from the US or Europe. Then it successfully scraped the jobs and added the jobs to our spreadsheet right here. Let us open the link and preview the jobs. So here you can see our product manager jobs, the spreadsheet. See the company name that posted the jobs. Here the title of the jobs, location of the jobs, work type, salary, when the job was posted, the region, notes, and the link to apply to the jobs right here. You can open a couple of links to preview some of the jobs right here. You can see an example job, senior product manager, posted by LexisNexis Risk Solution, which is this company over here. This is incredible. The job was posted May 2026. This is incredible. So now you can take it a step further and generate a resume or a cover letter automatically using Claude. All you have to do is just instruct Claude right here to also add a new column right here for the resume or the cover letter. Claude will automatically scrape the jobs and generate the cover letter or the resume. To scrape jobs using our skill and generate either a cover letter or a resume, it will be outputted in our job data spreadsheet in Claude. Call our LinkedIn job scraper tool skill and tell Claude, use our skill and find me 5 remote or hybrid data analyst jobs in the United States posted within the past month. Then extract the company name, job title, location, salary where available, job description summary, and application link into a structured Google Sheet and generate a tailored cover letter for each job based on its requirements and include it in the same shape. To do that, I'll hit enter right here. Give it a minute or two for it to scrape our jobs and generate our cover letter. So you can see that we're going to generate our cover letter. In the same, if you wanted to generate a resume, you can just instruct it to do so. Succeeded in scraping our 5 remote or hybrid data analyst jobs in the United States from LinkedIn. And then created a new spreadsheet in our Google Sheets and added the jobs right here. You can see the jobs added, the 5 jobs. the title, location, salary, the work type, and it also successfully included a cover letter for each job. So now to preview our jobs here, I'm going to click this link and open it on a new job. Now, after opening our link here, you can see the 5 jobs that it scraped from LinkedIn for us. So here's the company that posted the jobs. Here are the job titles, location, salary, job description. You can see the seeking senior data analyst, all of them. Here's the link to apply to the jobs. Here's when the jobs were posted, the work type, and here are the cover letter that it generated for us over here. So it's very simple cover letter that is generated for each of our jobs right here. This is really incredible. Preview the jobs. You can open a couple of links right here to preview the jobs that were posted by LinkedIn. For example, you can see this job requires a senior data analyst posted by this company called Sedgwick, which is this company right here that posted the job. Just posted 1 week ago. This is incredible. So we successfully scraped these jobs from LinkedIn and generated a simple cover letter for each job and added the data to a spreadsheet right here automatically using our skill, LinkedIn job scraper skill that we created right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.